Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will give you a quick rundown on how to fix Windows Update errors using Microsoft's online troubleshooter. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. We also link to the Update Online troubleshooter in that article as well. You will be first asked to identify your operating system. After that, you will be walked through several steps to take, like running a DISM and FFC, running the Update troubleshooter. The online troubleshooter will help you isolate the problem. If after the troubleshooter is finished and it still cannot fix your problems, you will be redirected to the Help AI, who will look at other options or connect you with a human that will work on the issue with you. For more helpful fixes to improve your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to improve your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.